Hi guys, very good morning. I am Smriti from Zoology Department. Today we have discussed about the topic. Subject is research methodology and biostatistics. Just we have to know about what is meant by research. Next please. Research method and methodology. Why we study about research? Next. What is research? Normally research means research. Already one of the thing is there, just we have to research of the same thing. Research methodology defined. Yes, research method is a systematic plan for conducting research, and also it will be variety of qualitative and quantitative research also occurs. It may be including experiment, survey and any one of the research work. Next. Most of the scientists explaining what is the basic concept of research. Just we have to know about two authors, well-known authors in research methodology. A.V.H. Mori, he defined the research is a systematic effort to gain knowledge. Next one, some people consider the research as a voyage of discovery that involves the movement from known to unknown. That is important. And Clifford Woody, one of the scientists, he defined the research activity that comprises defining and redefining the problem, and the data collection also making deduction and reaching the conclusions. That we have to do the work very carefully. The testing and conclusion is determined. What is the research and supporting of the hypothesis also. Next, research methodology term, the research is related to seek out the information of knowledge in a particular topic or particular subject. That is very important. One who study about science, that person choosing the topic related to science, it will be uses to future data collections. In other words, the research is an art of systematic investigation. What is meant by systematic? Just we have to do the work systematically. Just we have to know about monthly data collection, yearly data collection, and how many years it will take to complete the research work. That is very, very important. That is called systematic investigation. And also scientific approaches, it is adapted for conducting the research is called methodology. How we collecting the data, how we analyzing the data, that is called methodology. What are the methods we have to use of the research? That is called methodology. Next research method include all the techniques and the methods which have been taken the conducting of the research. Whereas research is methodology, it may be troubles or solved thoroughly. One who takes the research, it will be resolving solving the problem. It is a science of studying how the research is conducted systematically. In this field, the researcher explaining himself with different steps generally taken to study the research problems. What are the basic concept of research? Why we following the basic concept of research? Already I told it is a systematic process and identify the questions or problem. Just we have to taking of the questions. What is meant by birds? What is meant by animals? Why we do the work? That is called a question. Just we have to arise a question themselves. After we have to rectify the problem. Next, set forth a plan of action to answer the question and resolving the problem. Meticulously collecting the analyzing data. It full of them, it fully depends upon the collection of data. In conducting any one of the research, it is crucial to choose the right method and design for the specific researchable problem. We have to choosing the research the crucial. Another one is very important. It is based on all the research also based on empirical data. Why we following the empirical data? That is the experimental data. It involves precise observation and measurement. We have to taking the data. It is a fruitful data. That is a precise observations. And also the research is aimed at developing theories, principle and generalization. After we have to completing the data collection, we have to writing positions. We have to follow this one. These are the systematic logical procedure also involved. And also it is replicable. The finding of the research need to be reported. Next one, what are the main objectives of the research? What are the objectives we have to follow in the research? It is the quest of knowledge or systematic investigation in order to establish fact. That is very, very important. The fact, the correct data is very, very important for future publications also. It helps to solve the problem and increases the knowledge. One who completed the research work, that person gaining of the knowledge about that particular research, and also that person increasing the knowledge themselves. Next, the basic aim of research is to discover, interpret and develop method and a system to advance the human knowledge on diverse scientific matter. After completing his research, he known about diverse of scientific matter in related to the topic. And also the major aim of any type of research is to find out the reality and fact which is unknown, which has not been exposed. Next, these are some of the objectives of research we have to following. 10 objectives we have to follow during the research. That is identification of the research problem. Next, broad literature survey. Literature survey is very, very important. Then only we have to know about a particular topic. Hypothesis of formulation. After data collection, we have to analyzing our data. We have to use some statistical method. That time only we get some data. That is hypothesis formation. It may be hypothesis is a significance value. Sometimes it is non-significance value. That is a hypothesis formulation. Another also preparation of the research design. That's very, very important. Why we prepare the research design? The fully objective research design is depends upon the in future result. That future results also fully depends upon the good publications. And next one, determining the sample design. First we have to analyze which samples we have to taking for data collection. Which samples is uses for future data collections. Next one, data collection. After that we have to following this one, we have to collecting the data. After data collection, we have to analyzing the data. Another hypothesis testing. Next, generalization of the interpretation. Everything is corrected. Preparation of the report and presentation of the result is very, very important. What are the result is research studies. That is a exploratory result. Another that is called formulative research studies. This exploratory research is aimed at gaining familiarity with the particular phenomenon, gaining new insight into it. After completing the research, we get some gaining insight. Next, descriptive research studies. These are aimed at accurately portraying of characteristic of particular event, phenomenon, any one of the individual. Another one is the situations also. Next, these subjective research also divided 3 types. First one is a observation method, another one is a case study method, next one survey method. These all the 3 methods also vary, depends upon the different subject. It may be science subject, history subject and also different subject also. Who used this observation method? This observation method is concentrated on observing the subject in both natural and laboratory method to draw the conclusion on the research. This observation method also used for zoology student to collecting the data from the field. It will give the direct observation data. This direct observation method also otherwise called primary data collections. It highly useful in the natural observation because it is original result of the research can be obtained. During direct observation of the method, we get the data originals. In laboratory method also, we have to use a direct observation method, that is the quantities of the data in this observation. In laboratory experiment also, for example, some fish work, any one of the toxicology work, that's also it give you a direct observation method. Next one. The observation method mainly concentrate natural laboratory method, highly useful of natural observation because original result also can be obtained. The laboratory method also contain some quantities of the data provide the observation. Next please. Case study method. This case study method involve a deep research on the problem discussed. The case study method, one who taking the data collection, just go and ask the person directly. That is called case study method. Next, survey method. This method also based on the questionnaires prepared for the participant. But who prepared the questionnaires? One who do the research, that inventor, the investigator preparing the questions. After go to the field, they asking the question for the person, collecting the data, that is a primary data, that is called a survey method. After the participant answer the questionnaires, the research move towards the final stage. After answering the question, we have to analyzing the data. Next one, diagnostic research studies. These studies try to determine the frequency with which something occurs. That is a hypothesis stating of the research studies. These studies also test the hypothesis, determine the what is the relationship between the variables. We take the data collections, monthly variation, yearly variation, annual variation, some chronological studies also, just we get the variables. Variation of the two type of data, it is called variable. The following characteristic of the research, it is a systematic and critical investigation into the phenomenon. We have to use as the scientific method, and also it is goal oriented, and it may be logical method. But what is our goal? Why we study about this particular topic? What are the results we have to expect? That is a goal oriented and logical, and also it is required empirical evidences. Next one, it focus on finding answer to questions and solution to the problem. Next one, the research is a process of collecting, analyzing and interpreting information to the answer questions. It is very, very important. We have to collecting the data, we have to after analyzing the data, we should get the answer from the research work. It's very important. But to qualify as a research, the process must have certain characters. Why we following the character? The data collection is fully depends upon the result. So we have to following some characters. It must be for us possible, systematic, controlled, rigorous, valid and verifiable, empirical and critical. We have to following these ones after we getting the correct data. What are the necessary of research? What are the necessary things we have to following during research? Research help in the extending the knowledge of human being, the environment and natural phenomenon to others. We have to know about what are the environmental affecting, what are the solution we taking that during the research, what are the natural phenomena occur. That is here we have to know about the necessary. Next, it bring out the information which is not developed fully during the ordinary course of life. It verify to existing fact and identify the change of this existing fact. Next one, it help to developing the fact of critical evaluations. After we have to completing the data collection, we have to evaluate the thesis, that is a critical evaluation. It analyzes the interrelationship between the variable and derivable in casual explanation. It develops new tools and techniques of this who study the unknown phenomenon, and also it help in the planning and the development. What are the method and stages and result we have to following? What are the motivation to approaches during the researches? Already I told you literature analysis is very, very important, and also the research clarification, initial problem understanding. These are the literature. After literature collection, we have the research clarification. After it gives the result, initial problem understanding the and the object. Next, empirical analysis also, descriptive studies, experimental synthesis, empirical analysis, everything is good. Gives the correct, proper completing the thesis. It gives the solution, method, evaluation and conclusion also. It are the motivation of the approaches. Next one, motivation approaches to encourage the investigation to solve the problem and gaining the knowledge and the existing knowledge and different type of experimental analytic knowledge also. Next one, what are the 7 characters? Main 7 character we have to following the research. First one is empirical, logical, cyclical, analytical, critical, methodological and replicability. These are the 7 bases of the concept. What is meant by empirical? Already I explained the empirical is the experimental observation. It is a direct experience from the field observation by a researcher. Next, practical experience without due to regard the scientific knowledge or theory. Next, the logical. The logical is based on valid procedure and principle. You have to following the logical, that is orderly manner. Next one, Cyclical process. Why we do the cyclical process? Again we do the work, that is it's going on cyclically. Start with the problem and end with the problem. So we have to following the data, the researchers complete the studies, that is a cyclical work. That is, it gives the solutions also. So we called research is a cyclical. Next one, analytical. That is, analysis is very important. The utilizing the analysis data is gathered, focus on historical and descriptive and experiment and case study. Everything we have to analyze is after we get the data collections, we get the result also. What is a critical situation? Why we face a critical situation during the research? It is careful and precise judgment. It is very important for research work. Before we have to completing the research work, we have to face some problem, that is called a critical situation. Another one is a methodological. Using some, we have to use some methodological, introduction, materials method, summary, conclusions, everything we have to do the work in the methodological. That is a systematic. Why we have to follow the methodological work? It gives without bias. Next, appropriate test should be, we have to use this to avoiding the bias of the research. Next, replicability. Normally some person is doing work repeated and enable the researcher to arrive the valid and conclusive result. We have to do the work again and again. That is a replicability. Next one, 5 character. After during research, the researcher is also following some characters and the students also following some characters. It will be give the good researcher and good students also. That is a intellectual curiosity. Next one, prudency. Next one, healthy criticism. Both the student and guide also have the healthy criticism also accept. Next, intellectual honesty. Honesty is very important for both guide and students. Next, intellectual creativity. Creativity is very important to analyzing the data, to resulting experiment of the thesis also. Next, what are the problem we have to face? What are the researches we have to do the work before data collection, after data collection, during the research period also we have to face some problem. We have to discuss about our result and we have to discuss about some equipment. We gain the knowledge from other also. We have to discuss with the others and find out what you need, what are you doing, what are the result in future also. You have to expect. Some of them give the good ideas. Next please. Student and supervisor responsibility is very important for after completing the research work. This is that it will be gives the correct report and we expecting the correct publications of the data. First we meet with your supervisor regularly. It's very important. We give the response also. Use scientific English, that is very important. Supply the details. Whenever they want the data collection, just we have to provide all the details, and just you have any problem, raise all the problem to your supervisor. You do not waste supervisor time and your times also. That's very important. In this above module, we have to discuss about this section. What is the basic concept of research, meaning and objectives and motivation and approaches also. It will be uses for your future research studies. Thank you guys.